we came here to see rapeseed blossom, but we didn't see any. We saw only camping people, lots of people camping here. But I don't understand why. Because here looks to me it's not pleasant that much. Also lots of people came here fishing, but see the ground is not even level. What's the point of camping here? I don't understand. Lots of people also, you see, barbecuing. 不是，在前面。这个是那个北运河郊野公园。来了以后什么也没看到，说是有樱花，有那个油菜花，结果来了以后一看什么也没有，就有一些人在这里露营，可是
好吃的冰激凌。
就有人在这烧烤。I'm so disappointed. We decided to leave. 快到了。